Let's look at the sum of x and sum of x squared button on the ALEKS calculator. So go to the calculator on ALEKS, and you have two buttons right here in the upper left-hand corner. This is the sum of x and the sum of x squared. So this is the uppercase Greek letter sigma. It represents the sum, so it means you're adding a set of numbers. So you're going to see this a lot in statistics and other formulas as you go throughout math classes. So here's just an example of the standard deviation formula. Where you see this symbol. So this symbol right here, all it means is the sum of this information right here. So we're looking at the sum of these different ones. So in statistics, a lot of times you're talking about like data sets. So you're going to add up all the numbers. What this means down here, this tells you how many numbers you're going to add up actually. So it means this is x sub I. So you add up the first one, then you add up the second one, then you add up the third one, then you add up the fourth one. You can kind of see that laid out right here for you. And then n is the total numbers that you have. So you're going to add up the first one all the way to the last one. So sometimes they'll signify how many numbers they want you to add up in math classes. Other times they're just going to say this means kind of add up all of them that are given to you. So the summation symbol in the calculator are these two right here, and they give you two options on the ALEKS calculator. They give you the sum of x and then the sum of x squared. So what this one is just going to sum up the numbers that are given to you, whereas this one is going to square each number and then sum them up. Okay, so I'm going to put some numbers in the calculator. Remember in ALEKS, you can just highlight them and they will go in there. So here's a list of numbers that we're going to have. So we have two options here. We can do the sum of x. So what this is going to do is just add all these up. So we could double check it, but we're going to trust ALEKS calculator does it right. So we add them up and boom, we have all of those numbers added together. And that's it. That's all you got to do for that one. So just to go back and do this one, so then you have the sum of x squared. So this is going to do, it's going to square each of these. So it's going to do like 11 squared, which is 121, plus 64, plus 81, plus 169, plus 49, plus 144. So this is going to give us a lot bigger number. So when we hit this, it's going to do each of these squared and then add all those up. So hit it, and here, like I said, you get a lot bigger number. So this is the sum of x and the sum of x squared. The sum of x adds up all the numbers that are given to you. The sum of x squared squares all the numbers and then adds them up.